I look better than him, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm going to start off with this subtraction problem right over here. The first thing that I'm going to do is circle my operation so that I don't get tricked. I see that I have 5 and 4 6 minus 3 and 2 6. Notice how I line my fractions up vertically and not horizontally. Well, 4 6 minus 2 6, I know I can do 4 minus 2, so that's just 2 6, because you always start with the fraction. Now I move over to my whole number. 5 minus 3, well that's 2, so 5 and 4 6 minus 3 and 2 6 is just 2 and 2 6. That problem is easy enough. Let's move over to one that's just a little bit more difficult. 7 minus 5 and 2/3. Notice again how I have my numbers lined up vertically. I have my whole numbers lined up and then I have my fractions lined up. Oh wait, there isn't a fraction here. So that means that I need to regroup, because that's really like there's a 0 over 0 there, and you can't do 0 minus 2. So I need to come over to my whole number. I cross that 7 off, and that turns to a 6. Well, I just took away one whole, and I know that I'm working with thirds. So how many thirds is equivalent to one whole? Well, I know that 3/3 is equivalent to one whole. So now I can do 3/3 minus 2/3 and get 1/3. Then I move over to my whole number. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 7 minus 5 and 2/3 is equal to 1 and 1/3.